Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing has been around pretty much since the invention of the internet. Congratulations, you won. You've got mail. Remember those pop-up ads all over the place? And you should see them just by visiting normal websites. That was the early form of affiliate marketing. Pop-up ads all over the internet, crowding your screen with numerous ads from all different types. Well, today those don't really work anymore because people got accustomed to the same tactics. Affiliate marketing. In the year 2020, affiliate marketing is comparable to the California gold rush. Here are some historical facts about the California gold rush, started by James Marshall, who discovered 2 gold nuggets on the American River, and this was back in January of 1848. This started the discovery, triggered a gold rush in 1849, all right, giving the rise term to the 49ers. You ever heard about the San Francisco 49ers? Well, that's what it was. It was the new gold rush. Everyone wanted a piece of the pie. Everyone wanted to get their hands on some California gold. Well, that's the same thing with affiliate marketing. With the expansion of lots of internet gurus all over the internet trying to teach you how to make money online, how to become a marketer, how to sell things on Shopify stores, how to create a new business, how to do this. There are millions. You cannot go to YouTube today without seeing some type of marketing video. And the guys that make you wonder, well, is this still valuable today? If we go back into history and we can see the California gold rush, we have to understand what factors. Since the California gold rush, many people, well, went poor. They didn't strike it rich. They didn't find those magical gold nuggets. They didn't find a lot. All right, total about 300,000 people in the early days of United States history. 300,000 people went on a natural gold rush hunt. But who were the real winners? A lot of people lost. A lot of people didn't strike it rich. Well, the real winners, ladies and gentlemen, was the marketers. Marketing ads. These ads were all over the place and banners stuck to poles and trees and everything, telling everyone about the gold rush. And it formed an explosion of people all over the world heading to California to get their pot of gold. Well, didn't really work too much for a lot of people. A lot of people died. A lot of people got sick. A lot of people failed. A lot of people went broke. But who really made out in the end? The shops and stores, the people selling the equipment. See, you wasn't making money finding little gold nuggets. They was making money selling the pickaxe and the shovels. You hear the saying goes all the time. All right, the real winners of that were the stores and shops. They made a lot of money selling the equipment. Well, let's think about it. What if we can turn the affiliate marketers into potential customers? And instead of spamming our friends and family emails and collecting email addresses and basically spamming it out and paying other people to market our product, what if we can market to the affiliate marketers? Here goes the affiliate marketing process. You become an affiliate marketer on such sites like JVZoo, ClickBank, Amazon, Walmart affiliates. You become an affiliate marketer. Your job is to get this product in the hands of the customer. So you scroll over here and now you reach the customer. The customer makes a purchase from the retailer and the retailer gives you a commission of the sale. That's the whole premise of affiliate marketing. Basically, the digital real estate agent. You're going to sell a person a property, and in selling that person a property to the bank gives you a commission. That's all it is. You see, there are millions upon millions of would-be affiliate marketers. And the internet gurus of the world are taking advantage of this opportunity. You see, the internet gurus are not doing affiliate marketing to customers around the world and different products. their affiliate marketing is to the affiliate marketer. See, if you want to become an affiliate marketer, you can buy my course, buy my 7-day class, buy my video series, buy my thing, because their affiliate marketing is based around you. Wow. See, it kind of makes you think there's like, wait a minute, why would these affiliate marketers want to sell their e-courses to me based on affiliate marketing? Why don't they just keep quiet and do it themselves? That's what most people would do. If you're making $1 million a year, $2 million, $3 million a year, why would you need to sell an ebook course or some kind of course or guide? Because you're already making millions with the project that you are doing. So why would you do that? Because you are the customer, and this is what the big internet gurus are not telling you. If we head on over to Quora, you can see that people ask these questions. Are there too many affiliate marketers? There are millions. One website had over 2 million signups. ClickBank has hundreds of thousands, possibly millions of affiliate marketers signing on to their network. Millions. JVZoo probably has millions as well. Millions of would-be affiliate marketers because they're watching, the internet gurus. If we go to YouTube, and we can see lots of stuff about affiliate marketing. One of these things is writing articles. How to write articles quick and easy, affiliate marketing. All right, how to write content, affiliate marketing. How to create affiliate marketing websites, affiliate marketing for bloggers, affiliate marketing for emails, affiliate marketers for articles, See, a lot of this is article based. And the list goes on and on and on, on and on and on. All right, about articles and blog posts and writing articles. All right, let's go on over to another YouTube, and you can see this is about writing blogs. Content for blogs, step-by-step affiliate programs of writing articles, writing blogs, writing eBooks, writing. So, this guy makes $1,000 a day writing blogs. Let's go over to another affiliate marketing is eBooks. $10,000 writing eBooks, 10-page ebook sales funnel. Affiliate marketing for beginnings, affiliate marketing for books, affiliate marketing for books. Let's think outside the box. Instead of writing a ebook, article, blog, catered to a certain product, what if we can actually do the writing for the affiliate marketers and get paid to do that? See, you are not panning for gold. You're selling the gold equipment. Many of these YouTube gurus get thousands, possibly millions of views because they're selling you their product. That's what the whole game is. Sell you their product, sell you their content. How to write content. Write. If we head on over to, let's go to affiliate marketing. And let's head on over to one of the most popular ones, and that is ClickBank. Let's go ahead and sign in. And let's go to a product. And as you see, the very first product is lip text. You can get paid $61 per sale. Not bad at all. So how are people marketing with this product? Well, one of the number one ways is Medium.com. Medium.com is the number one Google article base for affiliate marketing. You write articles and you can use it in your affiliate marketing income. Here is the product, LipText, and as you see, we have articles on LipText, lots of them. Lots of articles, LipText review, lots of them. Now in this video, I'm going to teach you a way to make these things completely free, easy, fast, and you can sell them using a program. As you see, these are many articles, a lot of them are duplicate articles on this product. And the list goes on and on and on. Now all of these people are advertising through affiliate marketing, through that site we just saw, ClickBank. They wrote an article and they did a review on it. As you see, I am still scrolling. These are just many, many articles on this product. And you may ask yourself, why are they doing this? They're doing this because they get reads, and once you get reads, it can lead back to your affiliate. You can go right back. You are going to become the gold seller by creating these works, because many of these articles, some of them get views, some of them don't, some of them get lost in the dust. All right, there is just an overwhelming demand for articles. Well, here goes a program, ladies and gentlemen, that will teach you how to write articles super fast. This is called Scribble. And Scribble allows you to write articles on demand, create eBooks, create white papers, create any technical writing on the net fast. All right, it's going to run you back about $29. That's it, $29. This is one of the secrets most of the affiliate marketers are doing today. They're using programs like this and they're writing articles, and in hopes that someone reads their article to buy their product from services like this so they can get this commission. What if you was the article writer? You can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per article. So instead of going out here trying to get people all over the internet to read your articles and try to get clicks and try to get commissions, what if you become the article writer? There are affiliate marketers who are willing to pay you to write articles. As you see, the list goes on just for this one product. I am still scrolling. A person would much rather pay you $50 to write them an article, they put it online, and then go about their business and move on to the next project. They'll scroll down Cinderella. I need an article on that. All right, I need an article on this haiku diabetes remedy. I need an article on Ted's woodworking. I need an article. Affiliate marketers pay. What most of these internet gurus are not telling you is that you have to put up some real funds to do this. Once you make your article, you're going to have to get traffic to your article. You have to pay some other affiliate marketer to email it out to their list, like on Udemy. It's a whole revolving circle. So do as the gurus do and turn your affiliate marketing audience into customers. Scribble is a program that allows you to do that extremely fast. You can also apply on certain freelance jobs. This is a writerswork.com, and they are paying $25 to $65 per hour to write content, write articles, write blogs, write emails, anything, any type of general content. Look, blogs, articles, copywriting, social media posts, whatever the case may be, you write it and you get paid $20 to $65 per hour. Now imagine if you can do this extremely fast by using artificial intelligence and software to help you. The Scribble software is the #1 ebook creation studio in the world. No other program does what this program does. Nothing on the market. And if any program comes close to doing what Scribble does, they're going to charge you for it. We're talking $100 and then about $60 to $70 per month to use it. One of the popular programs like Designer, it charges you like $50 to $60 per month to use it. This is $29 and you have it forever. Go to the link in the description of this video and read up more about it. Watch the videos. You can see all the many benefits you can use. Commercial content, create 60-second creation. eBooks, reports, white papers, the list is literally unlimited. You can write articles. You can do this in amazement. Amazing Scribble demo. You go ahead and watch it and see how this guy creates an ebook in like a minute. So instead of going here and trying to promote this product to thousands of people who may or may not want, then collecting their emails, and then spamming their email with your product, trying to get them to sell. What about marketing to the internet marketers? You know what? You can do the spamming. I'll write your article for you. All right, I'll do your blog posts. I'll do your social media. You see how this opens the door? You are no longer the gold panner. You are now the gold store. You are now selling to the affiliate marketers, which there are millions. We're talking 100 million people. There's a targeted audience that most internet marketers are not targeting. Target the internet marketers and sell them products or work or jobs. Here goes another website. One is called Upwork, one is Writers Work. And let's see if we get this baby load real quick. Writers Access. Writers Access is a service that you can use to write articles, books, websites, blogs, social media, the list goes on, and get paid for it. You're writing for major companies like Microsoft, 3M, eHealth, Samsonite, Liberty Mutual. I mean, all these companies. So instead of coming to marketer, well, become the internet marketer's marketer. A lot of affiliate marketers pay for things. They pay for advertisement. They pay for blog posts. They pay for this just to get their whole click funnels running. Here's another site called Upwork. They work with Airbnb, Microsoft, GoDaddy, GE. This is one of the trusted sites for writers. So using certain software, you can make a minimum of $35 an hour. That's what this person is charging. This person is charging $75 per hour. And you can use software like this to generate, publish, and create things in minutes. Go to the link below. Go ahead and check it out. Right now, there is a special code of new 2020. You get $37 off. And this will allow you, ladies and gentlemen, to break free of the whole gold rush. All right? No longer into this whole gold rush. No more. You are now the store. You are now the gold rush shop. You're going to be selling the picks and shovels to the would-be marketers because the internet gurus are marketing to the marketers. So why not you? This is how you can make the big bucks. Talk to you guys soon.